Hello everybody, so this is the Dual-Lite EV2 emergency light. This is an emergency light that I ordered about last week. It didn't even take 5 days to get to my house. I bought it off of eBay for a good price, $10 and $6 shipping. But I ordered two, so yep. As you can see that the test button on the bottom here is blinking red. Now, that is because that I read on the manual for this emergency light that it is normal for it to be, for the battery in here at least, to be pretty, like, so like when the power goes out, basically, when the power goes back on, like, I don't know, after 2 hours, then the battery will charge, and basically the battery does not come charged, and you have to wire it up to actual power before actually using. See, I actually was able to wire it up to a power cord. You can see it by the outlet right here. It's wired into a power cord, which is nice because, you know, and it's also nice because emergency lights can run off of a power cord. But here's the box that it came in. This is the second one that I bought here. I'm not going to unbox it, but I will wire it up. Yeah, so it's a very cool emergency light, and it's one that I've always wanted because yeah, because I just like the design, and it is actually a bright emergency light. I will go ahead and just give you guys a quick test because it will turn on, but it is bright. It is bright. It's just not wanting to do the full test because the battery is charging. But anyways, this is something called a self-diagnostic emergency light, and what that basically means is that when you press the test button, it will basically test itself for either 1 minute or 90 minutes. Now, so basically if I press the test button once, when the battery's actually charged, of course, when I press the test button once, then it will go into self-diagnostic testing mode, and it will, and the lights will stay on when the power, now obviously the power has to be on, but anyways, when you press it once, it will test for 1 minute by itself, and then after 1 minute, it will stop testing, and there will be a green flashing light, and yeah, the light will flash green, and that means that it is in testing mode. And you can obviously just press the button to cancel the test at any time. However, there's another testing mode where you can test it for 90 minutes. You'd press the button twice and test the emergency light for 90 minutes, which I think is, basically the amount of time that the emergency light will last, because then the battery will have to charge. All that. I usually just like doing the 1 minute test for self-diagnostic emergency lights. I think that this is a very cool emergency light, and I think that there's 3 available left on eBay. I can't remember the listing, but again, I did buy 2 of them, and I'll wire the other one up eventually. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.